Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Beam coin. It's easy to get yourself some of the Beam tokens. All you need to do is open up your browser. Once you're logged in, head over to coinmarketcap.com, link in description. So guys, you're on the Beam coin webpage. All you need to do is simply select the drop down that says Ethereum and copy the BNB Smart Chain contract address. Once this is copied, simply scroll down and find the markets area. Once at the market area, you can find that this token is being traded for the centralized exchange on Binance. And for decentralized exchanges, we have PancakeSwap. That's for the BNB, that's BNB Chain. That's the BNB Smart Chain. Now, all you need to do to get this token is minimize. And for the centralized exchange, I'll be showing you how to get your Beam tokens on Binance. Once you've opened up Binance, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify. So guys, you've got a verified account. How can you get yourself some Beam tokens? Click on the deposit icon you find. Once you select a deposit, you can choose to deposit any cryptocurrency you hold outside of Binance through the depositing feature. Another option of depositing is you could deposit via your fiat currency. All you need to do is simply select deposit fiat. Once you've selected deposit fiat, you could select depending on your currency and your area. And all you need to do now is enter an amount and proceed to make the payment. Your fiat currency would be converted into cryptocurrency, which you could use for the transaction. Now, once you've gotten yourself some cryptocurrency on Binance, click on the wallet icon. Once you've selected the wallet icon, simply reload and you'd find the amount of cryptocurrency you hold on your wallet. So guys, with this in mind, simply head over to the home section, click on the convert icon. Once you selected convert, select the cryptocurrency you wish to use. In my case, it's the Dimension token. And now we're going to be converting into Beam. So search for Beam, select the Beam token, click on Max, and simply click on Preview Conversion, and simply convert your tokens into the Beam token. Once that's done, you'd find that you've successfully converted your tokens into the Beam tokens. And that's how you can get it done on a centralized exchange. I'll be showing you how to get it done on a decentralized exchange, which is going to be PancakeSwap. So simply open up your wallet, be it the MetaMask or the Trust wallet. Once you've opened up your wallet, make sure you have some Binance Smart Chain token, which is this Binance Smart Chain. That's the BNB token. If you do not have some BNB, simply click on the buy option, enter an amount you wish to buy, and proceed to pay with your bank transfer. So guys, once you've bought your BNB, once you've gotten some BNB on your wallet via depositing or buying your tokens, simply head over to the browser icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, simply scroll till you find the PancakeSwap platform, select PancakeSwap, and once the PancakeSwap is opened, where we have the wallet connect icon at the top right, click on this option and select the connect option to connect your wallet. Once you've done this, the Ethereum symbol, click on the Ethereum symbol and select BNB, as we're going to be switching our network to the BNB Smart Chain. So guys, you're on the BNB Smart Chain. How can you get yourself some Beam tokens? Where we have the cake icon, this cake here, click on cake, paste the contract address we had copied from the CoinMarketCap. Once you've pasted the contract address, select the Beam token, click on I understand and simply click on import. And now we're going to be entering an amount of BNB we wish to convert into the Beam token. And once you've entered an amount you wish to convert, simply click on swap and set the slippage tolerance from 1% to 5. And now once you've entered an amount of percent slippage tolerance, simply click on swap, click on confirm swap, and the transaction would be loading. And all you need to do is simply approve of this transaction. Click on approve, transaction will be submitted. Click on add Beam to wallet, as this would be adding the Beam token to your wallet. So click on OK. And once you've added the Beam token, head to the home section, perform a simple reload, and you'd find the Beam token on your wallet. All right, guys, that's how you can simply buy the Beam token. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.